Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you new layering combos using new items from Dress to Impress World Culture Update. Okay, the layering combo will look like this guys, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing. Okay, first of all, you can go to the culture clothing area, and then you're going to wear this dress, and you can choose only top and remove the chain, and then I'm going to color it red. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this dress and only choose the sleeves, and again color it red for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay, and the next one we're going to wear this dress. Okay, and then I'm just going to leave it like that, and I'm going to wear this item and color it red for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.